question, alpha and beta be the two distinct roots of the equation 2x square minus 6x plus k equal to 0, such that sum of the roots and product of the roots are the two distinct roots of another equation. Finally, the value of 8 into k minus p is question. So we should know the value of k and p to calculate the answer. So the given equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is 2x square minus 6x plus k equal to 0. So sum of the roots alpha plus beta will be equal to 6 by 2 equal to 3, and product of the roots alpha beta will be k by 2. And these two forms the distinct roots of another equation x square plus px plus p equal to 0. So sum of the equations alpha plus alpha beta should be equal to minus p, and substituting the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta here. So this will be 3 plus alpha beta k by 2 equal to minus p. Similarly, alpha plus beta into alpha beta should be equal to p. So again 3 into k by 2 should be equal to p. So I'm going to substitute the value of p in this equation. So I'll be getting 3 plus k by 2 equal to minus 3k by 2. So bringing the variable to one side. So it will be 3k by 2 plus k by 2 equal to minus 3. So for k by 2 equal to minus 3, so k will be equal to minus 3 by 2, and substituting the value of k in the second equation, so I get p is equal to 3k by 2. So p is equal to 3 into minus 3 by 2, which is the value of p is equal to minus 9. So what has been finally questioned? 8 into k minus p should be the answer, which is equal to 8 into minus 3 by 2 plus 9 by 4, which will be equal to 8 into minus 6 plus 9 by 4. So 8 into 3 by 4 is your answer, which upon cancelling gives us the final answer as 6. So the answer for the given question is 6.